You want to resolve malfunction reports quickly and efficiently, but that's not always easy, especially in the evening or on weekends. First, go on site to diagnose the issue. And with a bit of bad luck, back to the shop to pick up a part. Annoying for the client and the service engineer. That can be done more efficiently, for example by combining our expansion automats with a Flamconnect Remote service contract. This connects the device to the Flamconnect platform. The installation is monitored 24/7. And you will receive an email notification in case of a malfunction, often before the residents notice anything. The link in the email sends you directly to the right product in the portal and shows you what is going on with the help of all the knowledge in the system. You can also view the historical data to check the behavior of the product and diagnose it yourself remotely. In the portal, you can directly adjust settings or refill the installation to solve the problem. Do you need to send a mechanic? Then he has all the insights from the portal in advance. A system that monitors 24/7, alerts you when necessary, tells you what needs to be done, and save you countless unnecessary trips by enabling you to remotely fix the problem. Flamconnect Remote service pays off, both in terms of efficiency and satisfied customers.